Rogers Wireless Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Rogers Wireless plans and offers can be found in the description. Rogers is one of Canada's largest and most established mobile operators, offering nationwide coverage, 5G connectivity, and a variety of plans tailored to different user needs. Its network spans both urban and rural areas, making it a strong choice for those who need reliable service across the country. Rogers provides unlimited data plans with speed throttling after reaching a cap, premium device financing options, and international roaming add-ons like the Roam Like Home feature, which allows users to use their plans in the US and over 185 countries. It also supports VoLTE, Wi-Fi calling, and eSIM for enhanced flexibility. Rogers is best suited for business professionals, frequent travelers, and families looking for a dependable network with solid customer support. Strengths include extensive coverage, a growing 5G network, and competitive family and business plans. However, weaknesses include higher pricing compared to budget carriers, occasional network congestion in densely populated areas, and customer service inconsistencies reported by some users. Despite this, Rogers remains a top-tier provider for those who need a balance between coverage, speed, and reliability. If you want a high-quality mobile experience with strong nationwide service, Rogers Wireless is a great option. Check the links in the description for the latest plans and promotions.